exercise for you today, and it's called jump ups. All right, we're going to start with progression 1. Bring your foot up onto line, foot placement, right here at the bottom of the ball mount, top of the arch. You're going to get the standing leg nice and close, and you're just thinking up as we step up. Reverse that, come down. That's 1. We're going to continue to do that 5 times. On the right side. And then switch. Left foot up there, same foot position. Standing leg nice and close, thinking up. 5 times on this side. Okay, moving on once you get that, progression 2. Bring your foot back up there, same placement. Standing legs close. This time, we're going to kind of spring into the stand-up. So the standing legs loaded, we're going to bend, land, step down. 5 times on each side. So the landing is the hard part. You got to ride the landing. Spring load the leg, jump. 2. Again, 5 on each side. 3. 4. Helps with the knees to be bent to catch that landing. 5. Then switch it and do the same thing on the other side. Spring load the leg, arms out for a little balance, jump, catch, come down, jump, catch. It's 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you've done that, we move on to progression 3. It's the actual jump up. Jumping up with each leg leading 5 times. So I'm going to start with my left, starting to this one side of the line. I'm going to power off the right leg, lift the left. That's 1. Doing it 5 times each side. Powering off the right leg. It's 2. I'm going to demo it one more time. Powering off the right leg. 3. Again, 5 times for you though. Demo the other side now. We're powering off the left leg. Get a nice jump. And then the landing, same thing with the landing. Allow yourself to bend the knees a little bit and absorb. Powering off the left leg. 1 more for demo purposes. All right, 5 times each side. That's progression 3. Have fun with that one. Until next time. Peace.